Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tanu, and I am a spiritual transformation coach, mentor, and healer. I help women take a quantum leap into their next level self through the three core pillars of purpose, identity, and feminine embodiment. So, if you are done shrinking and you know you are meant for more, you are in the right place. So, thank you for being here and thank you for choosing yourself to do the work. Now, the reason we are here today is because we are approaching a powerful strawberry full moon on the 30th of June. So, whether you follow moon cycles or not, full moons offer us something incredibly powerful. That's a pause, a moment of reflection, a chance to stop rushing towards what's next and ask ourselves, where am I? What have I learned? And who have I become? And honestly, I believe this is something many of us need right now because we are constantly focused on the next goal, the next breakthrough, the next manifestation, and the next level. Yet, very few of us stop to acknowledge how far we have already come. And that's exactly what this full moon is inviting us to do. Today, I want to share four powerful messages that came through for this full moon. And if you stay with me until the end, you will walk away with a deeper understanding of what's really keeping you stuck, a practical way to rebuild self trust, different perspective on healing, and a simple ritual to integrate these lessons into your life. So let's begin. The first message is very simple: honor yourself, honor your journey, honor your becoming, because full moons represent completion, the completion of a cycle. And before you move into the next cycle, you are being asked to acknowledge this one. What did this season teach you? What did it require from you? What did you survive? What did you overcome? What did you learn? Most women are so focused on where they are going that they never celebrate how far they have come. The goalpost keeps moving, and eventually nothing feels like enough. Not the healing, not the growth, not the success, not the achievements. Because as soon as one mountain is climbed, another appears. Alright? This full moon asks you to take a pause and recognize the woman who has already climbed the mountain, the woman who did not quit, the woman who kept going, the woman who is listening to this video right now. Because before you focus on becoming more, honor who you have already become. And I want you to reflect on this. What have I overcome that I have not acknowledged? The second message is about power. Whenever life is not unfolding the way we want it to, our instinct is to look outside of ourselves. We blame circumstances, we blame timing, we blame other people, we also blame our past, our childhood, our trauma, our upbringing. And while all of those things influence us, there comes a point on every healing journey where we have to ask, what is mine to own? This is not about blame, it's about self leadership. It's about recognizing that while we may not control everything that happens to us, we do get to choose how we respond. We get to choose who we become. We get to choose what story we continue carrying. The moment we stop asking, why is this happening to me? And we start asking, what is this trying to teach me? Everything changes. Because that question returns us to our power. And power is where transformation begins. Not when circumstances change, but when we do change. So ask yourself, where am I giving away my power right now? And what would it look like to take it back? The third message is one that I believe has the power to change your life. Become a woman who trusts herself. I truly believe that one of the biggest reasons women struggle to step into the next level is not lack of potential. It is lack of self trust, not confidence. It is self trust. Think about how many promises you have made to yourself. I will start tomorrow. I will set that boundary. I will choose myself finally. And I will stop settling. I will finally go after what I want. And then life happens. The promise gets delayed again and again and again. Over time, something begins to happen over here. You stop trusting yourself. and confidence starts to disappear. Because confidence is not built by just positive thinking. Confidence is built through evidence. Evidence that your words mean something. Evidence that when you say you will do something, you do it. Every promise you keep strengthens self trust. Every promise you break weakens it. So, this full moon is asking, what promise to myself am I finally ready to honor? Because the woman who trusts herself moves differently. She chooses differently, she shows up differently, and creates different results. And now we come to what I believe is the deepest message of this full moon. Healing is not fixing. Healing is remembering. I think one of the most biggest lies many women carry is this: something is wrong with me. Maybe not consciously, but underneath the striving, the perfectionism, the endless self improvement is often the belief that we need to be different before we can fully love ourselves. More confident, more healed, more successful, more worthy. But what if there is nothing wrong with you? What if healing is not about becoming someone else? What if healing is just about returning to yourself, returning to your truth, returning to your voice, returning to your worth, returning to the parts of yourself you have abandoned in order to be accepted? Because I don't believe that you are broken. I believe you have forgotten. And this full moon is inviting you to remember not another version of you, but the real you. The woman who is underneath the fear, the conditioning, the expectations, and the stories. And when you stop asking, what's wrong with me? You create space for a much more powerful question. And that question is, what is right about me that I have forgotten to see? So, before we close, I want to leave you with a simple full moon practice. So, just take your journal, light a candle, and create a quiet space for yourself. And sit with these questions. Question number one: what have I overcome that I haven't acknowledged? Number two: where am I giving away my power? Number three: what promise to myself am I ready to honor? Write very, very honestly, write without judgment, and allow yourself to listen because the answers you are searching for are already within you. So, beautiful soul, before you manifest anything else, before you call in your next level, before you focus on what is next, I want you to pause. I want you to honor yourself, honor your journey, honor this beautiful woman who got you here. Because your next level is not built by rejecting who you are today. It's built by honoring her, by trusting her, by remembering her, and by allowing her to become the foundation for everything that comes next. If this message resonated with you, I would love to hear from you in the comments. So tell me, which part of this message spoke to you the most? And what is that one thing that you are choosing to honor about yourself today? And if you know another woman who needs this reminder, please share this video with her. And if you would like more content on healing, self worth, feminine embodiment, and becoming your next level self, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So until next time, keep becoming her. Much love.